Picture this. You're on a sandy beach, basking in the warm glow of the setting sun. The waves gently crash against the shore, and you're surrounded by laughter and good company. The world's worries seem miles away, and you're finally living the life you've always dreamed of. But before you get lost in this blissful daydream, let's pause for a moment. Welcome to our channel, which assists men in enhancing their health-seeking habits and financial well-being by consistently offering helpful information. The National Commercial Bank Insurance Agency is sponsoring this edition, which focuses on planning for retirement. I know. Some of you might be thinking, retirement planning? That's something for old folks. But let me tell you, that's far from the truth. Retirement planning is a crucial activity that shouldn't be postponed. The golden age isn't as distant as you think, and your choices today will determine the quality of that chapter in your life. Retirement is not just about getting old. It's about achieving financial freedom, pursuing passions, and savoring every moment with your loved ones. It's about creating a life where you can say, I lived, not just survived. And to achieve that, you must embark on a journey, one that starts now. The earlier you start planning, the more choices you'll have when it's time to retire. Imagine this. You've set aside a portion of your monthly earnings, invested wisely, and watched your money grow. Compound interest, my friends, is a powerful ally and rewards those who start early. Now ask yourself, are you willing to let time slip away, or will you seize the opportunity to secure your future? How would you feel knowing you've taken the right steps towards a secure and fulfilling retirement? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let me tell you a story about John, a regular guy who didn't pay much attention to retirement planning until his 40s. Life was hectic, and he had other priorities. But as he approached his 60s, reality hit him hard. John realized he didn't have enough saved for retirement, and the stress of uncertainty clouded his golden years. He wished he could turn back the clock and make smarter choices. But time is unforgiving, and the chance had passed. We don't want you to experience that regret. Retirement planning is not a burden. It's an investment in your future self. The peace of mind, the freedom to travel, the ability to pursue your passions. It's all within your reach. What dreams do you have for your retirement? Share your aspirations in the comments below and start envisioning the life you want to lead. As Steve Jobs once said, your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Retirement planning is about gaining control of your destiny, ensuring that your golden years are spent on your terms. Now, you might be wondering where to start. It's simple. Take that first step. Educate yourself about retirement plans, investment options, and seek professional advice. Remember, you don't have to go through this journey alone. Let's hear now from the National Commercial Bank Insurance Agency Senior Executive Davian Jones, who argues that retirement planning is a key part of wellness.
One of the things that we need when we reach retirement is money, right? Money basically takes care of our expenses when we retire, right? And health expenses such as basic necessities, water, food, clothing, right? And as you grow older, the chances of us, being ill is higher than when we were younger. So even medical bills increases, right? So let me list some pension facts, right? One, we need an annual income equivalent to 75% of our final salary to maintain standard of living. Now, what does that mean? For example, if before retirement you were earning 100,000, you would actually need at least 75% of that to continue your normal lifestyle. Why we say 75%? By that time, most of your major medical bills most of your major bills will be gone at that time. So kids would more than likely be on their own, the mortgage will be more than likely paid off. You more than likely will not have a car loan as well, right? So we say at least 75% to maintain standard of living, right? The maximum benefit from NIS, right, is 13,000 per month. No, I don't know about anybody on this forum, but 13,000 definitely, it probably only can pay one bill right now, right? So as much as most of us are contributing to NIS, it's not much that we really reap from get from when we retire. So a pension plan is definitely needed to aid us in having stability and more income. Now, the average working life, we're still on pension facts. The average working life is around 40 years, right? So most persons start around age 20, retire at age 60. But the average retirement period is 15 to 20 years, right? Now, we want to ensure between that period of 15 to 20 years that we as men are equipped with having a pension plan, right? And another fact is that pension replaces pay during retirement. Right now, our pension plan that we have at NCB, the individual retirement plan, is called the Smart Retirement Plan, right? And it is a personal plan which allows members to accumulate tax-free contributions to provide an income in their retirement years. Now, who can get this plan? Anybody between age 18 and 69 years old, right? Anybody who is not an active member of an approved superannuation fund or an approved retirement plan. When we say superannuation fund, we're talking about somebody who is working with a company and they're contributing to their group pension, right? And when we say approved retirement plan, this is for persons who already have an individual retirement plan, right? Also, persons who can get this plan are persons who wish to transfer their benefits from one group pension or individual retirement plan. Also, they have to be a resident of Jamaica, right? Now, what's the minimum contribution that one can make when contributing to pension? So the minimum is 5%, right? And the maximum is 20%. So the minimum of your gross income, and when we say gross, this is before all your expenses are deducted, right? So the minimum 5%, maximum 20%. Contributions can also be made by employers on behalf of employees, or employers can contribute up to 10% as well for persons, right? Now, based on the forum, want to ensure that you guys know the benefits of having a pension. Now, one of the benefits that I love about having a pension plan is that it reduces your income tax, right? So the more you contribute, the less you pay to income tax, right? With our plan, there's no setup costs, right? There's no need to appoint a trustee, an actuary, or consultant. That is all there for you, right? Now, the retirement age, normal retirement age is between age 60 to 65, right? So you also have early retirement and late retirement. So your early retirement is 10 years before your normal retirement age. So you're looking at between age 50 to 55. And your late retirement age is 5 years after your normal retirement age. So you're looking at up to age 70, right? Persons would always ask, can I get my pension before I reach retirement age? The question is no. It's when you reach your retirement age. So if you want it as early as, if you want it early, the best time is at early retirement, right? And that's between age 50 to 55. The only way someone can get their pension before the time is if they become disabled, right? That's the only way you can be retired immediately, right? No, the money is that we get for the plan is being invested for persons to ensure that they not only get back what they put in, but also returns on their money, right? So the best time I would say for persons to start their retirement planning is now. If you were to compare a 30-year-old with a 40-year-old and a 50-year-old, right, contributing the same amount of money up to retirement age, the person who will actually receive more is the 30-year-old. So the best time to start, gentlemen and ladies, if you're on, is now.
So, gentlemen, let's break the stereotype. Retirement planning is not reserved for the old. It's for those who dare to shape their destinies, who want to embrace their golden years with confidence and enthusiasm. It's time to take charge, to be proactive, and to make your dreams a reality. Don't wait until it's too late. Start planning today and let the journey towards your golden age be one filled with joy, fulfillment, and financial security. You have the power to create the life you want. Embrace it. If you found this video to be useful, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share it with your friends.